In this video, I am going to show you how to remove Grammarly from your desktop or from Microsoft Office. To remove Grammarly from Microsoft Office and explore alternative options, you can follow a more detailed and comprehensive approach that I am going to show you right now to ensure a smooth transition and continuation of your writing and editing work. On Windows, begin by right-click on the Start button located in the lower left corner of your screen. This action will bring up a quick access menu with various system management options. From the pop-up menu, select Apps and Features. This will direct you to a section of the system setting where you can manage installed applications. Within the Apps and Features section, you'll see a list of installed applications on your system. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find Grammarly for Microsoft. When you find it, click on it. To expand the options, select Uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions to remove Grammarly from your Microsoft Office applications. This process may require administrator permissions, so be prepared to authenticate if prompted. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.